My name's Danny Bowers. I'm a machining manager here at ZF. The most important thing that I do in my job is just communicate to the people. We run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I'm continuously monitoring the production that goes on here. Before Microsoft Teams, we did everything text messaging. We had WhatsApp, Outlook. So it was very hectic to try to get the communication on the second shift, third shift to do their job efficiently. With Teams, everybody's on the same channel.
Communications is better, quicker. We can correct errors faster and try to make product right the first time.
One of the biggest things was being able to hear each other. And another big factor was getting all the information where everybody could see it.
My area is 300,000 to 400,000 square foot. The plant itself is 1.5 million, and I could have meetings anywhere in the plant. It took a lot of time and energy to be out of my area, walking the plant, looking for the senior managers.
So at any point in time, I can communicate with the people in the back of the plant and receiving inspection and get an update on the parts and the inventory status for the raw material that we need. We can send them pictures, we can send them files, we can send them quality documentation. So with Microsoft Teams, we also have the availability for the Power apps. We use the Overtime app. Before, we did Overtime just with an Excel file. Everybody had to fill it out and had to enter it in, so it was not accurate and needed to change.
I am able to enter my overtime for my areas much more quickly. I save an hour using the Power app in Microsoft Teams. That allows me to spend more time with my associates getting our production and our quality goals met.
If I had one word to describe Teams and what it means to us, I would say that it's effective.